This is Kitchen Chat. Kitchen Chat, recipes and tastes. Welcome. Welcome. How to quickly make soft mandazis without baking powder or yeast. This is our recipe. Mix the baking flour with the sugar and then the salt together. Add in the oil and mix finely. Knead the mixture to form a dough. Leave the dough to rest for about 10 minutes. You may cover with your kitchen towel. After the 5 minutes, stretch out the dough on your rolling table as shown on the video. Cut to form medium-sized balls as shown in the video. Roll one of the balls to form the circular thick shape as shown in the video. Cut your circles into smaller shaped pieces as shown in the video. Spread them out like this as you heat up your frying oil. Deep fry them for about 5 minutes and then serve out. Make sure to check them oftentimes as you fry to make sure they are well fried. As you turn them, be careful not to spill or splash the hot cooking oil to your body. Ensure the golden brown texture color is enough to make your mandazis more attractive and tastier. Fry them over and over, turning them to balance the brown texture color. When they are ready, serve out and make sure you don't fetch out the oil with them. Place in a plate or a white flat surface to cool and dry out the oil. Continue frying the rest following the same procedure. Meanwhile, as you salivate for this amazing snack, make sure to subscribe and turn on all the notifications so as to get notified every time there is such content. This is probably to make support of this channel and also to help you get notified every time there's new content for you. This recipe is pinned in the description for this video. Kindly have a check on it. Finally, it's time to test. The mandazis are soft and amazing. I love them. The inside is well cooked and taste is amazing. Hope you try this one on your own and give me your feedback. The soft mandazis are nice even without the baking powder or yeast. Hope you enjoyed this video. Share to your friends and also give your comment below. See you again for more kitchen chat. Goodbye.